Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're focusing on something every server owner needs to know: how to shield your server from attacks with Fail2Ban. If you've ever worried about someone breaking into your server, this video is for you. Let's dive in and make your server bulletproof. What is Fail2Ban and why you need it? So, what exactly is Fail2Ban? Fail2Ban is a simple yet powerful tool that helps prevent brute force attacks by monitoring your log files and automatically banning suspicious IPs. Imagine it as a security guard for your server, watching over every access attempt. Installing Fail2Ban. Let's start by installing Fail2Ban on your server. We'll use a Debian-based system for this example. Open up your terminal and run this command. This command updates your package list and installs Fail2Ban with a single line. Basic configuration. Setting up Fail2Ban. Great! Now that we have Fail2Ban installed, it's time to set it up. Let's start with the configuration file. Open it with Nano or any text editor you like. Here, you can define which services to monitor and set your ban policies. Let's protect SSH. In the SSHD section, make sure to enable it and set your preferences like this. This configuration will ban an IP for one HURI if there are 5 failed login attempts within 10 minutes. Restarting Fail2Ban to apply changes. After editing the configuration, save and close the file. Now, restart Fail2Ban to apply the changes with this command. This command restarts the Fail2Ban service, applying all the new settings you just configured. Verifying Fail2Ban is active. Let's make sure everything is up and running. You can check Fail2Ban's status with the following command. Here, you'll see a list of monitored services and THE number of currently banned IP addresses. If everything looks good, you're all set. Real-world example: blocking an IP. Let's see Fail2Ban in action. If someone tries to brute force their way into your server, Fail2Ban will automatically detect it and ban their IP. You can view the ban log to see this in action. This command will show you live updates from the Fail2Ban log file. Remember, keeping your server secure is an ongoing process. Always monitor your logs and adjust Fail2Ban settings as needed. If you want to learn more about securing your server, check out our other videos and subscribe to stay updated with the latest security tips. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with your fellow sysadmins. Drop any questions or topics you want us to cover next in the comments below. Stay secure and keep your servers safe.